Sketchbook Pro uses a navigation puck for canvas navigation. The puck is presented on screen by holding down the spacebar. Clicking and dragging on the outer ring moves or pans the canvas. Clicking and dragging the magnifying glass zooms into and out of the canvas. Position the puck first, then zoom to zoom toward the puck's location. The rotation handles are located below the magnifying glass on the puck. Clicking and dragging rotates the canvas. Use the Ctrl 0 hotkey to reset the canvas view. Sketchbook Pro's brush palette is where you can access your brush presets. Sketchbook comes standard with a variety of pencil, pen, brush and eraser types. To quickly switch between two brushes, including erasers, use the S hotkey. The brush library contains all of the predefined and custom brush sets you create. By clicking on this ring icon, you can manage the brushes. I will change out the entire default set for this classic set. Note, you can also drag and drop individual brushes. Click on this sliders icon to adjust the brush properties. Depending on the brush type, you will have different options available. You can always reset the brush to their defaults, so you can safely experiment with them. Most brushes have at least a size that can be changed. Click on Draw Style to open Shapes panel. Activate Lines to draw a line on any angle by clicking the start and end point. Activate Rectangle to draw rectangles. Hold Shift to draw a square. Activate Oval to draw ovals. Hold Shift to draw a circle. Activate Polyline to draw a shape connected by multiple straight lines. Double tap or press Enter to commit the shape and draw it. Press Escape to cancel the shape. Click on Guides, followed by Ruler, or press the R hotkey to place a ruler on the canvas. You can move the ruler parallel to the canvas and move the 2 points to adjust the ruler angle. Use the current brush to draw along the ruler to create a straight line. Click on the curved ruler or press U hotkey to place a curved ruler on the canvas. You can move the entire curved ruler. Adjust the curved points. Scale the curve. Flip the curve. Rotate the curve. Use the current brush and draw along the ruler like before. Click on the ellipse or press the E hotkey to place an ellipse ruler on the canvas. You can adjust how stretched the ellipse is. You can move the ruler. You can scale the ellipse. You can rotate the ruler. Use the ruler with the current brush. Click on the French curve or press the F hotkey to place a French curve ruler. You can move the ruler across the canvas. You can rotate the ruler. Scale the ruler. Flip the ruler. Choose between 3 styles of French curve. Use the ruler by tracing along its edge with the current brush. Click on the Symmetry Y icon. Notice the dashed symmetry line. Draw on either side of the symmetry line and it will be mirrored across. You can also create a seamless line between both sides. The X-axis symmetry behaves just like Y-axis symmetry, only along the X-axis, as shown by the dashed symmetry line. Free symmetry allows you to position the symmetry line by angle and position, otherwise it behaves just like the previous symmetry tools. Radial symmetry allows you to create nice mandala type patterns. You can define the angle, number of segments to split into, and position of the radial pattern. You can move all symmetry lines. You can lock symmetry lines to prevent accidentally moving them. Unlock to move and use them in another position. Or hide the symmetry line so it isn't distracting while drawing. Click on the marquee selection icon or press the M hotkey. Draw a box to create a new selection area as shown. Click on the oval selection icon. Draw an oval to create a new selection. Hold Shift to draw a circle. Notice the selection is created from the centre outwards. Click on the lasso icon or press the L hotkey. Click and drag around the target area to perform a lasso selection. Click on the polyline icon. Click on the canvas to enclose an area between connected lines. Double-click or press Enter to complete the selection. Click on the magic wand icon or press the W hotkey. Click inside an enclosed area to select the space inside. Click on the deselect icon or use the Ctrl D hotkey. Any selections will be cleared as shown. After making a selection, press and hold the V hotkey to bring up the transform puck. Clicking and dragging on the outer ring moves the selection. Clicking and dragging the inner ring scales the selection uniformly. Clicking and dragging the inner bottom section of the ring rotates the selection. The top inner section of the ring scales in one direction based on the initial movement. When no initial selection is made, the transform puck acts on the entire canvas as shown. Tap to reveal a mini colour picker. Tap and drag top to bottom to adjust the colour's luminance. Tap and drag left to right to adjust the colour's saturation. Tap and drag left to right to adjust the brush size. Tap and drag top to bottom to adjust the brush opacity. Use the File, Save As menu to save your sketch. You can choose from a variety of file formats, TIFF being the default. To retrieve your sketch, use the File, Open menu. Sketchbook can work with the file formats shown. Sketchbook keeps track of your recent sketches here. Using File, Add Image, you can add a reference image to an existing sketch. The image will be created on a new layer, allowing you to adjust its opacity level. This can then be used as a reference or tracing image.